Let's talk about our NworldXX network menu. So under network menu, you can find there network tree, team members, multi-level, NworldXX multi-level, sales match, referral history. So let's talk first about the network tree. You can find here, of course, the structure of your NworldXX organizations. So of course, there will be labels like the numbering of the positioning of your members. One means that's your account, then the next are the other accounts. And also, if you want to know who is that particular person on that particular position, you can just find the information down here. So the number, okay, this is the label that you can find in the structure, and also the NTC number and the name of your distributor and country, whether that person is under your left or in your right, and also the sponsor. So this is what you are going to find in your network tree under your network menu. Then let's go to the team members. In the team members, so this is the summary of all your total downlines or members in your NworldXX account. Okay, so there you can find the NTC number, the position of that particular member, whether it is right or left. So once you can find there R, it means that particular member of yours is under your right organization. If you find it there L, so that means that particular member of yours is under your left organization. And also the name of the member and the date of activation, of course, whether it is upgraded to or is a newly registered NworldXX account, because any other members from our OG or from X can also be upgraded to NworldXX, and of course the sponsor. So this is what you can find in your team members under the network menu. Now let's proceed to the multi-level. Under multi-level section of your network menu, you can find here the breakdown. So you can find here personal level up points from the beginning, the group level up points from the beginning, the total multi-level bonus, and the total multi-level bonus for this month. And you can also sort it out based on month. So once you start buying products or maintaining your accounts for the multi-level, then all the points that you are acquiring from buying those products will be reflected in this particular section of your dashboard. So this is your multi-level section. Then now let's proceed to the NworldXX multi-level. So since our system is synchronized, so whatever you perform in the multi-level of NworldXX will also be reflected here in your NworldXX dashboard. So that is why you can also monitor your NworldXX multi-level performance here in this NworldXX platform. Then the next section under the network menu is the sales match or referral history. So under the sales match or referral history, of course, you can find here the total bonuses that you have earned from the matching bonus or the pairing bonus and your referral bonus. So whenever you start earning, it will be reflected here. Available balance means that is the amount of money that you can now withdraw. Okay, and also you can also see here the breakdown of the transactions, whether, let's say, for example, on that particular date you have a match bonus, then it will be reflected here with the reference number, the description, whether it is a match bonus or a referral bonus, and how much did you earn and what will be the balance. These are all the sections that you can find under your network menu of your NworldXX account.